The very first thing is that we'll send out a welcome package, a short sale welcome package to you. The welcome package is very similar to when you applied for a loan. We have a checklist in there. It's very detailed oriented for you. You'll have to supply us with W-2s, bank statements, a hardship letter. We have an example hardship letter in there for you. If you need help with the hardship letter, we'd be more than happy to help you as well. We also need bank statements, W-2s, just a lot of information similar to when you applied for the loan. All your government programs will be provided for you in the packet as well, so any HOFA programs or bank incentives that we're trying to qualify you for will be included in the package. Once you take the time to fill out that package, you would then contact us and we'd meet one-on-one and review your package and make sure it's completed 100%. We will make sure your package is very detailed oriented and make sure nothing's missing, so when we submit it the first time it's not rejected. It's very important. Once we get the package 100% completed and it's to our satisfactory, then we'll market your property. We'll go ahead and list the property to the open market. Our investors may have first look at it. We have a lot of international investors that we sell our properties to. From there we open it to the open market, to the general public basically. Properties are selling anywhere from 14 to 30 days these days in Orlando. Basically the Orlando market's somewhat hot. The properties are selling fast. Once we get an offer on your property, then we'll go ahead and go into the short sale process. Banks won't communicate with us until we have an actual offer for your property. It's very important for us to get a solid offer within the comps and the range of what your property is worth. And once we have a good solid offer, we'll go ahead and submit it to the bank to start your short sale. That process is what they call setup. It takes about 30 days you have to wait in line basically. It takes about 30 days to go ahead and get a negotiator assigned to your contract or your offer. And once we have that negotiator on the line, I communicate with you that, hey, we got a negotiator, the process has started, we're reviewing all the numbers and all the terms the bank may be requesting. There may be some additional paperwork that the bank may request from you, like bank statements. It's a common thing that we ask for every 30, 90 days. But once the negotiator has all the pieces of the puzzle, we go ahead and move forward. We talk terms. I communicate with you to let you know what the terms are. Our goal is to get you to closing with no money out of your pocket and no deficiency judgment. Once we have a satisfied terms or a good offer basically from the lender, they send us what they call an approval letter. And their approval letter is very important. It spells out all the terms and basically that's your contract between the lender and yourself, and that's what you want to hold on to. The most important thing is we're doing a short sale so they don't come after you at a later date. Once we have that approval letter, again, I give you notice that, hey, you start looking for a place to move to. At that point, we can help you look for a rental property and assist you on that part. But most importantly, I'm communicating with you that, hey, it's 45 days out, it's 30 days out, you need to start preparing to move. Once the buyer is engaged with their approval letter, he then does what they call a home inspection on your property to make sure the home is to his satisfactory. And then from there, we move towards closing. Closing usually takes about 30 days. Once we get to closing, we will have someone from our staff assist you at the closing table and review all the documents with you and make sure everything's satisfactory to you. The one thing to keep in mind when you do a short sale with us, all of our addendums are written to protect you and that you can cancel at any time. And it doesn't matter if it's the day before closing, you have the right to cancel at no penalty whatsoever. So it's very important to understand that you're in the driver's seat, it's your home, and it's your decision, basically. It's a big decision, but we feel it's in the best interest of you to avoid foreclosure.